Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a cast iron pepperoni pizza. You don't have to make this in a cast iron, but it makes it absolutely delicious, where you get that nice crispy crust, fluffy, absolutely delicious. So I'm going to share with you what you'll need for this recipe, and then we'll start making it. Alright guys, you are going to need pizza dough. You can use whatever pizza dough that you like. Don't mind my hands, I've got food coloring on it. But just use whatever pizza dough that you like. I just made some earlier, and that's what I've got here. You're going to need some thinly sliced onions, some marinara sauce. You can use whatever favorite marinara sauce that you like. Pepperoni, thinly sliced bell pepper, whichever one that you like. You can use red or yellow. Red pepper flakes, and mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, before you start this recipe, what you're going to do is you're going to preheat your stove to 500 degrees, and you're going to put in your cast iron skillet, about a 12-inch cast iron skillet. Just put them in there and turn it on and let it heat up to 500 degrees about 20 to 30 minutes before you make this recipe. Then we're just going to prep our dough. We're just going to roll it out until it gets to about 14 inches in diameter, and we'll get that ready and set up, and then I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys, I've got my pan out and it's super duper hot. Do not touch this pan. We're going to add in just a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of the pan, and we're going to brush that around just to coat the bottom of the pan and up the sides. Just be very, very careful because this pan is very hot. And that is exactly what you want. You want a very hot pan. Now we're just going to carefully place our pizza dough in here and just move this around to get it up the sides of the pan a little bit, and that's going to give you that nice crust. You can hear that sizzle. It's already starting to cook. So what you're going to do is just drizzle with a little bit of olive oil on the top. This is just going to help keep this nice and moist while it's cooking. And just brush it up on the tops of the dough here. Now what you're going to go in with, and I forgot to mention this earlier, but I like to go in with my pizza sauce and just put that right on the top and just smooth this out. I've got about a half a cup here. You can use more or less to how that, however you like it. And then just smooth that over. It's going to be absolutely delicious. And then just sprinkle it with a little bit of Italian seasoning. Not much, maybe about a half a teaspoon. So now we're going to go in and just put on our onions, just a little bit on the base of the pizza, because we're going to put a little bit more on in just a second. You're going to do the same thing with the bell pepper. Just put on a little bit on the base, and that should be good. And then go in with your mozzarella cheese. Now you can add as much or as little as you like. When it comes to cheese, so just add on whatever amount that you like. added just about 2 cups of cheese. And now we're going to go in with the remaining of the onions. Now if you don't like onions, you don't have to add them. You can certainly add something else. Just whatever you desire. It is your pizza. Then just go on with the remaining of the bell pepper. And if you like it spicy, you can go in and just sprinkle on a little bit of red pepper flakes. However much you desire. It's completely up to you. We'll just sprinkle that on. And now it is time for the pepperoni. Now you can add as little or as much as you like. I've just got a little bit left. So I'm just going to pile these on here. These are just original pepperoni slices. Sometimes I get the spicy. Just depends on whatever you like. Now that you've got it all topped, it is ready to go back into the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes until the top is golden brown and the cheese is melted, and then we will be ready to go. Okay, you guys, I have got the pizza out and it is all cut up, ready to go. And it's cooling. I've got me a slice right here. Look at that crust. It is so fluffy and just absolutely delicious. So we're just going to give this a try. Now if you like crust, this is the pizza for you. If you're more of a thin crust type of person, go ahead and just cut the dough in half and roll it out as thin as you can get it. But we like crust, so that pizza is absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to eat this for dinner. Looks so good. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.